What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome to a very important video. So right now I'm sure you're aware the Bitcoin price is dumping as we talk. So in this video I want to talk to you about support levels where Bitcoin could potentially be supported by. So guys, also I did give you a warning in yesterday's video that we could have a drop today, and so far that is playing out. Now of course everyone is talking about the CME futures chart, the gap that has been filled already as we speak, and we are still continuing to go a bit lower. So let's talk about support levels, which I'll show you in today's video. So now then, let's dive right into today's video. Guys, before we do that, do me one massive favor, hit the like button right now. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, help me out by clicking the subscribe button. And now then, let's talk about the price levels. All right, guys, so let's start with the 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. Now, right now, as you can see on the 1 hour chart, it's not looking too good for the short term. So in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we do have some heavy downtrend, obviously some heavy red candles you can see right here. And another thing is we have broken the 1 hour EMA ribbon. So this means that we are currently on a downtrend on the 1 hour chart. Now, guys, you will see some red lines here, which I've put. These are areas of support. So then the first area of support is around the $57,700 level approximately. And guys, you can see we actually tested this level here. We came down, but unfortunately we couldn't hold above that. Now the next level of support, which we are currently testing, is around the $55,300 level. Guys, this is roughly, it's not to the exact dollar, but these are the support levels that I'm keeping an eye on. And right now we are testing it. Now let's zoom out a bit further into the 4 hour charts. And as you guys can see, so far we do have some big 4 hourly candles. Now, one thing we are doing is right now, as you can see right over here, we are testing the 4 hour EMA ribbon. So far, we're holding above. Of course, you can see we had a little wick, but so far overall, we are above the 4 hour EMA ribbon. So that is something important as well that I will be keeping my eye on, because of course, if we break this 4 hourly EMA ribbon trend, that means we could see further downside. Now, if we do break this, the next support level I will be looking at is around the $52,700 level. So let's zoom back into the 15 minutes chart and see what's going on right now in the immediate short term. So right now in the 15 minutes chart, you can see this level here, which I've put, is currently holding. But again, guys, I will be waiting to see a 1 hour close at least above for more confirmation. Another thing is, guys, I have explained to you in yesterday's video, we do need to keep an eye on the traditional markets. And right now on the future charts, it is looking a bit down. I mean, I will say there are a few red candles. However, the stock markets haven't opened yet, so we'll have to see once that opens. But it's a high possibility that it will open a bit on a red. But guys, this is early days to say. So guys, these are important levels that I'm watching. Now guys, another important thing is I have to share with you, actually two important things. But these two things are really important, especially if you're trading Bitcoin. Now, if you're trading on leverage, right? If you're hodling, there's nothing to worry about. Panic selling is definitely a bad idea in my opinion, guys. However, if you're trading Bitcoin on leverage, it's extremely risky and it's only for experience. Now, something that I will be looking at potentially to put in a long position are at those levels. Now again, guys, I will only put in a long position once I have confirmation of support. So you don't want to jump into any trade, don't rush into trades. You always want to have confirmation. When I say confirmation, you need a full hour close at least so you can have a proper confirmation. However, guys, leverage comes with high risk, so that's something very important I have to mention. Now another thing, especially with leverage traders, now it's very unfortunate, but there are YouTubers out there that have very big following, and you know, I just hate to see it, because from what I've seen is I've seen them basically telling their few 100,000 subscribers that they have, right? Telling them to buy Bitcoin, to trade Bitcoin at the top, $61,000. Guys, I can't express, but I mean, I've been saying this all the time. Guys, you do not want to buy the top. I mean, people who buy the top, they always FOMO in because they fear of missing out. They feel like they missed out and they want to catch the boat. Guys, I've been telling you this almost at every single video. You do not want to buy the top. I mean, again, if you're buying as a hodler for long term, that may not be the worst idea, but there will always be better entries, put it that way. You want to buy the dips. Right now, we are talking about a dip, and this is where I will be looking to potentially put in a long position. I don't want to put a long position when we broke out at the top. I mean, this is just my strategy, and I think that all those people that follow these, I'm not going to name YouTubers, but follow this YouTuber that's been telling hundreds of thousands of viewers, buy the top. All of those people that follow that YouTuber or listen to his bad advice are probably all liquidated or on a huge loss. And what is my point, guys? My point, what I'm trying to tell you is, you do not want to buy the tops. Buying the tops is extremely risky, because we're ready at the top. So I mean, if everyone is in profit, there's a high probability that the price will go down. People will take profits. So you want to be the one buying the dumps, buying the dips. And of course, that's where I would say it's still a high risk, but the risk is a lot smaller than buying the top, right? I hope that makes sense to you guys, but this is just my personal opinion. From my experience, guys, I've started out, buying these breakouts, the tops, and I've learned the hard way, guys. And I'm just trying to stay truthful as possible. You want to buy the dips. You want to buy when people are fearful. And this goes also for hodling, not just trading. Hodling too, guys. I keep on telling you guys, you want to buy the dips. You don't want to buy the tops. Now, please take that and let it sink in your mind, because I know so many times people feel like, wow, Bitcoin is pumping, and they feel like they're missing out and they want to catch the boat. Guys, you can't pull the boat back. The boat is sailing. Just be patient, guys, because there will always be opportunities out there. And also, another important thing is, I feel like so many people are emotionally so much invested into their investments like crypto, that in their minds they're telling themselves Bitcoin will be $100,000, $200,000. And guys, probably that will happen down the line, but we have to be prepared for dips. We have to be prepared for corrections, and not let your emotions, because you're so invested into it, say that that's never going to happen and keep on doing bad decisions because of your emotions. So guys, this is just my thoughts, my opinions, and right now Bitcoin is at 56.3. So we potentially may be supported by the $55,300 level, $55,300 level, but this is still early, so of course this is not confirmation yet. But guys, as I said, my opinion is the best time to buy Bitcoin are the dips, and especially if you trading as well, the best time to put in a long position is at the bottom, not at the top. You know, it just frustrates me that so many people are probably losing. I mean, I'm sure hundreds of millions have been liquidated today alone. And guys, just be smart out there. Don't buy the tops. You don't want to buy, if you're buying the top, that means every single person under you is in profit. Do you really want to buy in then? I mean, again, if you're buying for the long term, if you're buying Bitcoin for 5 years, then potentially it's no big problem, because if Bitcoin is $200,000-$300,000 down the line in a couple of years' time, $60,000, $55,000 is not a big of a difference, right? But if you're trading and if you want to average in, guys, there's always opportunities. You don't want to buy the top. Anyways, guys, this is just my thoughts, my opinions. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like. And if you want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum through one of the best spot exchanges, guys, you will save so much money on fees when it comes to buying and selling your Bitcoin compared to Coinbase or many other exchanges out there. Check out Swissberg. Now, if you go through my referral link, you can get up to 100 euros of free Bitcoin just by signing up. Check that out. The link is in my description. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye now.